You can expect a lot from the 2008 Jeep Wrangler. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. A 3.8-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.